Welcome to PaidToday, how to create an invoice. We've got two ways that we can do this. The first way is go ahead and click on the Invoices tab on the left sidebar here. And then up here on the top right, we can click Create New Invoice. This will take us to a contact chooser, so we'll go ahead and choose one. And then we can start to build our invoice here. The other way that you can do that is also searching your contacts list and open up the contact view, and then you can create an invoice for that specific contact from their contact record. So to get started, now that we've got our invoice created, we're going to go ahead and choose the due date, and we'll go ahead and say it's the next month on the 30th, and then we'll go ahead and add our first line item. So our line item here, let's give it a title, say hourly labor rate, for example, and we'll just say 8 hours at 50 per hour. Okay, and then we can go ahead and add another line item by choosing Add Line Item here. And we'll give it another title. And this could be materials, anything like that. Custom can, and we'll just say 75. And then you can see we can continue to add line items that way. And from there we can go ahead and add additional notes. If you'd like to say, next month recommendations. Any kind of message you want in there, and then we can go ahead and set the specific tax rate that we want to charge if it's a taxable invoice, and we'll just say 10% for us. And then we can go ahead and we'll save this. And up here on the top right, we can see Share Draft with Client. This button here will allow you to make this invoice, even though it's a draft status, visible to your client from their client portal. So if they log into the client portal, they can they can click on the Invoices tab, and they'll see this as a draft, so that you guys can confirm, make edits, or anything that you need to do before you actually send it to them. Once you send the invoice, it's uneditable at that point. You cannot make changes, and that way you have consistency and transparency on the invoice details. So once we've got that shared with them, they can look at it. If I'm ready to send it, I can go ahead and click Send Invoice down here. Now that they said everything looked good, we'll go ahead and click Send. And now we can see that the invoice status has changed to pending, and it was sent to, due on, and everything's ready to go here.